Hey guys, welcome to this video, and in this video we are going to review a product which is called as Jewel. And what this Jewel product is, we will discuss a lot. I will show you a lot about the product. I will give you tons of bonuses from my side and we will see it from inside as well. But before telling you anything about the product, let me make it very clear that I'm going to get some commissions if you buy the product from the link which is down below. Why I'm getting this? Because I am referring you to the product creator. That is why Venkataramana, who is the product creator, he will incentivize me with some commissions without you paying anything extra for the product. Okay. So with that note, let us start reviewing the product, and let me show you my bonus page. This is my bonus page, and we will discuss a lot about my bonuses, and you will get to see the product from inside. As you can see right here, all of these will be shown everything in details. So let's get started and see everything in details. Okay, so let's get started. Hey guys, welcome. So as you can see, this is the product which is Jewel, and it says legally exploit a multi-billion-dollar company in 49 seconds. Okay, exposed world's first app that literally forces Google to pay us $393 every single day without technical skills, experience, or hidden cost. 93% of the beta testers are the people who are testing the product before it launches. So they are the first individuals who test the product. Okay, so 93% of beta testers made money on the first day. No technical skill or experience required. Legally exploit Google daily mark for daily passive income. 100% beginner friendly, 100% never seen before method. No need for any fancy or expensive tools or softwares. So easy, even a 70-year-old can do it. And 365 days money back guarantee. So as you can see right here, they are so much confident with the product. You are getting a 365 days money back guarantee. If you do not like the product, if you do not like the product to be helpful, if you do not feel it, then you can get a refund for even after before ending one complete year. Yeah, 365 days is a lot to give a guarantee. So they are giving you a guarantee. They are very much confident with the product. So I hope this will end up very well, and this will definitely do some good work for you if you buy the product. Okay, so get Jewel at a one-time price of $17 instead of $297 per month. So you are getting the product at $17 only without paying $297 for this. So this happens. Estimated earnings of today so far 392, then yesterday, last 7 days 3,000, and this month more than 13,000, around $14,000 of income on this month. Okay, I know Venkataramana is a very big name in the online means affiliate marketing world, in the Warrior Plus, JVZoo platforms. So this is completely, I guess this is not fake. He is a very big name and he can make it, and I hope he will make even very much more than this one. So estimated earnings is this one. You would think I am some kind of a genius, or I work 14 hours every single day to achieve this kind of a result, and you will be dead. Wrong. In fact, I have very limited experience with computers and I barely do any work and get payments like this on the daily basis. Now it's your turn. All you need to do is simply log in, replicate, and refresh, and your job is done. So we will see a lot about the product. We will see it from inside as well. But before everything, let me show you what is the thing that you will get from my side if you buy this Jewel thing from the link in the description. Okay, so this is my bonus page. As you can see, attention, when the bonus page ends, you will be seen that I have briefed about the product. So this is about the product, this is about the funnel. We will discuss about the funnels, but before anything, let me show you a great way of earning online right now, which is very much happening right now, which is very much profitable right now, which is affiliate marketing. and not just right now, but it will land for a decade or two, because this is the thing which every people or every single individual should do once in their life, which is affiliate marketing, because it is a thing you can do from your home at the comfort of your home, and which is very much profitable. So affiliate marketing, I will show you everything in details about affiliate marketing. I will give you tremendous knowledge about affiliate marketing from my bonus number 1 only, which is completely dedicated for affiliate marketing training, knowledge. You will get tremendous amount of knowledge for affiliate marketing as from my bonus number 1. Okay, because the jewel thing is a kind of a thing you can make money using the platform to do stuff using Google. Okay, and myself, which I do, and Venkata Ramana, who is the creator of the product, who what he does, we all are affiliate marketers, product creators, product vendors. We make a huge amount of money through affiliate marketing and product creation. So my idea is to show you the way of how to do affiliate marketing the proper way, and you will learn everything in details about affiliate marketing through my bonus number 1. So you should not miss this out. And bonus number 1, as you can see, commission blueprint, $200 cashback, 6-figure influx, $1 billion toolbox, $500 CPA every day, CPA coffee shop, pure day profits, pure profit payday, commission magnet, overnight commissions, and commission profit hack, commission toolbox, $100 CPA daily, commission glitch. All of these, there are 16 affiliate marketing courses which I'm going to give you if you buy this product, which is Jewel, from the link in the description. You will land, if you click the link in the description, you will land on this page, which is my bonus page. From my bonus page, if you click on any of these buttons, it states click here to secure a copy on your bonuses. You will land on the sales page of this Jewel thing, and from there you can buy the product, and all of these bonuses will be transferred directly to your account. Okay, this was only the bonus number 1. The bonus number 2, which I'm going to give you, is there is and there will always be a a drawback of affiliate marketing is people are not making that amount of money through affiliate marketing, but they should do, because they do not have the proper training regarding to how to get the traffic or how to get the visitors or customers to buy that products, which is the bonus number 2. I'm going to give you and solve that problem completely once and for all for you, because the bonus number 2, I will give you bonuses which is completely based on trainings on how to get traffic, how to get visitors, and how to make that sale to your customers. The bonus number 2 is completely for traffic courses. All of these are traffic courses, as you can see. The Fuego Breakout, the clones, the Fuego Multiplier, Bang Bang Profit, 0-hour workdays, Incognito. All of these are 6 traffic courses. 6 traffic courses to show you everything for traffic, how to get traffic to affiliate marketing products. Okay. The bonus number 3, the bonus is not ended yet. And the bonus number 3 is completely your favorite, my favorite, everyone's favorite, is how to make money online. So I will give you complete trainings on how to make money online. As you can see, 0-hour work days from $0 to $100 in 24 hours, the breakthrough, El Bandito, Profit Factory, Secret Weapon, Lost Code, Mobile, Easy Passive Paydays. There are 9 money making courses, 9 online money making courses, which will completely transform your knowledge to a whole new level regarding to make money online. Okay, all of these are directly transferred to you completely for free if you buy this Jewel product from the link which is down below in the description. Click that link, land on this page. From this page, if you click on any of these yellow buttons which states click here to secure your copy and your bonuses, you will land on the sales page of Jewel. From that page, you can buy the product, and after you buy the product, all of these bonuses will be transferred directly to your account. Okay, but there is one catch, and that catch is this timer, because this timer is 4 days 18 hours from the time I am recording this video, so you will definitely be having less time than this one. So kindly consider buying the product before the timer is zero. Even after the timer is zero, you will get the bonuses, but that will not be my responsibility to ensure the bonuses for you. If you land out after the timer is zero, then it is completely your fortune if you get the bonuses or not. But before the timer is zero, it is solely my responsibility. So kindly consider buying the product before the timer is zero, and I will, even if you are facing any problem regarding to getting the bonuses, or you wanna return the product, or any problem you are facing, completely my responsibility to ensure your benefit before the timer is zero. Okay, so kindly consider buying the product before the timer is zero. What you need to do is simply click on any of these buttons. You will land on this page. If you buy the product from here, what you need to do is simply so here is this button, click here to get started. So when you click on this product, click on this button, you will buy the product and your dreams will come true, and all of these bonuses will be transferred directly to your account. Okay, so let us see the jewel product as well. So from the laptop of Venkatraman from Dubai, my new villa, he is making a lot. I know he is a top vendor, top I guess 5% vendor on affiliate marketing, the Warrior Plus page, and he makes around, I guess, around $1,800 or $1,000 a month, a single day. Sorry, a single day he makes that much amount of money through promoting and selling products, selling courses, and a lot of stuff. So it is very much means useful if you buy any product, or you get in touch with any of these big players online. Okay, so there are a lot of stuff which is written right here. All thanks to Google loophole, you are making that kind of amount of money. So you can see a lot of things are going on right here in the sales page. All you need to do is simply come on this page and read it out a little bit at completely your leisure. All of these will be available if you buy this product. So here is why Jewel is different from anything else. As you can see, let us see. Hello Sid, how are you doing with Jewel? It is something fresh and very useful. That's great, and a lot of things they have conversed. And Sid is also a very big name regarding to the online product or online digital marketing agency kind of stuffs. Okay, so all you need to do is simply click on any of these buttons, click here to secure your copy and get started. So when you click on these buttons, you will buy the product, and when you buy the product, all the bonuses from my side will be transferred to your account. Okay, so bonus offer, let me again show you my bonuses. There is 9 money making courses, 6 traffic courses, and 16 affiliate marketing courses. The total of 31 products, 31 courses, big high ticket courses from my side directly to your account if you buy this product. Okay, so now let us see this product from inside. This is the interior of Jewel, and you can see how to make money online, advertise, trainings, tools, all of these are right here. Tool sites, advertise, upgrade, support, and there are trainings, proper trainings from Venkatramana. Jewel demo, video 1, video 2. You can see the length of the videos: 15 minutes, 12 minutes, around 11 minutes, 5 minutes, 30 minutes, 15 minutes. So there are a lot of trainings, more than 1 hour of training for this product, and the bonuses are right here. You can download it, advertise, tool sites, VIP trainings, a lot of things. So as you can see, and for your tool sites, all of these are tools you can use: the icon generator, article rewriter, and a lot of stuff right here which is there. Okay, so I guess you will find a lot of stuff from here which will make a complete means fortune through this product. And if you found this product to be helpful, kindly comment in the section down below. If you found this video to be helpful, kindly comment that below. Kindly, if you face any problem through this product, ask me in the comment section, and I will definitely try to solve your query. If I am not able to do, I will ask the product creator to solve that query, and I will reply you definitely. So I hope this video was helpful. If you have any problems, kindly ask me, and kindly consider subscribing to the channel, like the video, press the bell icon, because I create videos every single day, every single week, regarding to only the good products which launches every single day or week. So that's all for this video. If you have any doubt, ask me, and I will meet you on the next video for another product. Till then, take care and bye bye.